welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to talk about some important biometric related update that has been announced by the government of Canada. So in front of you I have opened this biometric page where they have given information related to COVID-19 from the official Canada government site. So let's see what they are saying. Due to COVID-19, some biometric collection sites are closed or are not offering biometric collection. These sites include, we know that. Now, the most important part here that we are going to discuss is biometric collection in Canada. So, although a small number of Service Canada offices are open, none of them are offering biometric collection services. So, that is why applicants, especially temporary resident applicants, are affected because a lot of them have applied for work permit extension, visitor extension, study permit extension, and with no date in mind, their applications are like they are worried, and all such sort of confusion and other things are going on, including rumors, no doubt. So that is why they are coming with this measurement biometric exception for temporary residence applicants in Canada. As a temporary measure, you are exempt from giving biometrics if you are applying from within Canada. See, they have made it in bold, applying from within Canada. So don't consider it if you are applying from a different country. For to extend your stay as a student, worker, visitor, to restore your status as a student, worker, visitor, for a work or study permit, for a visitor visa, for a temporary resident permit. This applies to all new applications as well as applications already in progress. It applies even if your application form for a work permit, study permit, or visitor visa says it's applicant outside Canada. Our online application system asks you to pay a biometric fee, $85. This temporary measure does not apply if you are outside Canada. So it totally depends upon your location. So understand this very clearly. And because you will not be going for biometrics, so you don't have to pay. If you have already paid the fee, then it's going to be refunded once they finalize your application. And still, the online system will automatically send you a biometric instruction letter telling you how to give biometrics. You do not need to give biometrics, so you can ignore this letter for now. And at the same time, they have provided some information for permanent residence applicants. No application will be refused or closed if you are not able to give your biometrics within the period on your instruction letter, even if it says 30 or 90 days. And this we have already discussed, so I'll not go into that. But whatever information I have shared, I'm sure that this has brought relief to a lot of people. So hopefully going forward, you're gonna have better experience with this, and hopefully things turn back to normal, because Ontario, starting from this Friday, most of the province of Ontario is going to return to phase 3. Similar relaxations are expected in coming weeks across the country. So hopefully Service Canada and biometric collection and other facilities resume their services soon. I'll keep an eye, and I'll try to keep you updated with whatever is going on. Thank you for now, guys.